Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about Amazon Rekognition. Before moving to our topic, let's start with what is AWS? Amazon Web Services. It is a subsidiary of Amazon that provides on-demand cloud computing platforms and APIs to the individuals. Don't worry, it has pay-as-you-go basis, so after crossing the free tier limit, you have to pay. Amazon Rekognition is a service provided by AWS. In this video, we are going to discuss about some features, advantages, working, use cases, and finally a demo on Amazon Rekognition. First, what is Amazon Rekognition? It is like a tool that helps us add image and video analysis to our applications. Like if you wanted to include image recognition into your own project, then this is the best tool. Added to it, it doesn't require any deep learning expertise, so it's very easy to use. The next is features. So in short, we can say that how exactly our Amazon Rekognition is useful. I have listed out some. One is labels. If you have given a picture, our model can identify different objects and label them, like name them. It can identify various objects and label them accurately. And the next is custom labels. How about giving a picture which has different objects and also have your company logo? Our model have to detect the company logo, that is custom labels, which are to be built for our usage. Next is content moderation. It can identify any inappropriate content in the video or image. Not only these, if you have given a handwritten text which is distorted, it can identify the text, and that is called as text detection. Next is face search. This have multiple usage in our daily life. If a picture which has different people in that is given, it can identify specific person in the picture and get the data. We can get the data about the person in the picture. So next, let's see the advantages. As I have already mentioned, it's very easy to use and also it's very easy to integrate with different projects. I have said that we have a free tier limit, right? For object detection projects, it of course comes under free tier limit. If for suppose it crosses free tier limit, it costs less than $2. So it's very low cost and cost effective. And as it uses artificial intelligence, so it have many features which are very much helpful. Here is a picture of the different applications of Amazon Rekognition. In the first picture, you can see a person is cycling near some hills. So our model can identify that there is a person with a confidence of 99.3. So what is confidence? Confidence is like determining the proper intent which is there in the picture. And he's cyclist with a confidence of 73.4, and there is a bicycle with a confidence of 98.6. So these are accurate results. And in the second picture, it's facial analysis, that is extracting the data of the person who is there, like if he or she is smiling or he or she is happy or she's having the glasses, like that. So in the facial analysis in the picture, there's a girl who is smiling, and our model can say that she's smiling with a confidence of 75.8%. She's happy with a confidence of 82.8%, and her eyes are open with a confidence of 100%. In the third picture, you can see that the same person's image photo is given with a different pose. Our model can identify that these two are of same person, and there is a similarity of 98.0%. That is called as face comparison. In the next picture, you can see that multiple people photos are given where the single person's photo is identified. As I have said, face search, that is facial recognition. This is the most useful feature in Amazon Rekognition. Now, let's move on to working of Amazon Rekognition. First, you have to upload the pictures or images or videos which you wanted the data to be extracted. you have to upload the pictures into Amazon S3 bucket. So Amazon S3 bucket is like a place where you can store the data and access them while you're working on a project. And that data is used by Amazon Lambda. Means we can write some code in the Lambda so that it can take the data from S3 bucket and it can use the Amazon Rekognition for creating a model. So basically, our Amazon Rekognition is being used by Amazon Lambda and getting the data from S3 bucket to make a model. This is exactly how our Amazon Rekognition works. So now let's see some use cases. We can extract the metadata of the image or video. That is, when the image is being created or video has been created and data has been modified, etc. And there are many useful cases of this Amazon Rekognition. One of it is identifying any emergency situations. Like if only the cameras can identify there is a theft in a public place, it is very helpful, right? If there is any emergency like a fire in the public area, if our cameras can identify all of these, it's very helpful. And the next is identity verification. This is very useful because if our locker opens only if the person who comes there is you, then it's it have many applications, right? So like that, there are different applications. The next is identifying the places, products, and brands. So, if you have visited some places for a trip long back but forgot the name after years, yet our model can help you recollect those memories by identifying which place you have visited at that time. And I have listed out the best application. Like if you can create a model that can identify the missing person, if a video or a photo of an public area he or she might have visited at last, then it makes our work very simple, right? This is a real life application and real life problem that can be solved by Amazon Rekognition. So there are multiple uses. Now let's see an object detection demo.